How to make hummus, complete with ingredients and instructions. Hummus is a delicious and healthy dip that is enjoyed by many people around the world. It is made from chickpeas, tahini, sesame seed paste, lemon juice, garlic, and olive oil. It is a great source of protein and is also gluten-free, making it a great option for those with dietary restrictions. In this video, we will discuss how to make hummus at home. Ingredients: 1 can of chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans. 1/4 cup of tahini. 2 cloves of garlic. 1/4 cup of lemon juice. 1/4 cup of olive oil. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: 1. Drain and rinse the chickpeas in a colander under cold water. 2. Peel and crush the garlic cloves. 3. In a food processor or blender, combine the chickpeas, tahini, garlic, lemon juice, and olive oil. 4. Pulse the ingredients until they are smooth and well combined. 4. If the hummus is too thick, you can add a little water to thin it out. 5. Season with salt and pepper to taste. 6. Transfer the hummus to a serving bowl, and garnish with olive oil, paprika or parsley. Hummus can be stored in the refrigerator for up to a week. It is best served cold and is perfect as a dip for veggies, crackers, or pita bread. It can also be used as a spread on sandwiches or wraps. Variations: there are many variations of hummus that can be made by adding different ingredients. Some popular variations include roasted red pepper hummus. Add 1/2 cup of roasted red peppers to the food processor along with the other ingredients. Black bean hummus. Substitute black beans for chickpeas in the recipe. Sun-dried tomato hummus. Add 1/4 cup of sun-dried tomatoes to the food processor along with the other ingredients. Spinach and feta hummus. Add 1/2 cup of chopped spinach and 1/4 cup of crumbled feta cheese to the food processor along with the other ingredients. Beet hummus. Add 1/2 cup of cooked and peeled beets to the food processor along with the other ingredients. Cilantro and jalapeno hummus. Add 1/4 cup of chopped cilantro and 1 jalapeno pepper to the food processor along with the other ingredients. Avocado hummus. Add 1 ripe avocado to the food processor along with the other ingredients. Making hummus at home is easy and allows you to control the ingredients, which means you can make it as healthy or as indulgent as you like. You can make it as simple or as complex as you want, and you can enjoy it as a dip, spread, or topping. Hummus is a versatile and delicious dip that is perfect for any occasion. It is made from simple ingredients, and it is easy to make at home. You can customize it to suit your taste and dietary needs. So, why not give it a try and make your own hummus today? Thanks for watching. Feel free to like this video if you enjoyed how to make hummus. For more video content like this, please subscribe to our channel.